Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you have been trying to remove a footer from your Microsoft Word document but are not sure where to find the option, this video will show you the process in a quick and easy way. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Next, open the document that contains the footer you want to remove. Then, click on the Insert tab from the top dashboard. After that, locate the header and footer section and click on Footer. A drop-down menu will appear with different footer styles and options. Scroll to the bottom of the menu and click Remove Footer. Microsoft Word will immediately remove the footer from your document. If your document contains multiple sections with different footers, you may need to repeat the same process for each section until all footers have been removed. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.